Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera not working on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. So if you want to restart phone, so just click and hold power button. After just click and hold power button, so click on restart. After click on restart, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system update. After click on system update, click on backup and reset. After click on backup and reset, so click on reset phone. After click on reset phone, click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, enter your phone password and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see, so it's just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on first option, software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera not working on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.